Question number 9 through 11 refer to the following article. Win for butterfly conservation. In recognition of the UN International Year of Biodiversity, the Brunei Gas Corporation has made a grant of 250,000 Brunei dollar, 180,000 US dollar, towards research into butterfly conservation in the Mount Kinabalu region. The work will be carried out by the internationally respected conservation group Wildlife Unlimited under the direction of Dr. Ameria Robertson. Dr. Robertson, Associate Professor in the School of Environment and Ecology at the University of Singapore, is a highly respected researcher and has many publications on invertebrate ecology to her credit. The money will go towards establishing a field station in the foothills of Mount Kinabalu, an area especially rich in butterfly species. The ecosystem is particularly varied, with a gradation from humid tropics at the base of the mountain to a cool temperate climate at the higher altitudes. It supports several highly endangered and spectacular butterfly species which are under increasing pressure from butterfly collectors and habitat destruction. The area also has a very rich avifauna, hosting a diverse range of rare and threatened bird species. It is thought that the interaction between birds and insects in the region will become an important focus of the study. As well as building the field station, Dr. Robertson intends to run a series of seminars and workshops in the area to emphasize the importance of biodiversity to the local inhabitants. Without the support of the local population, the conservation task is almost impossible, she said. CEO Mr. Ali Amran bin Hassan said, Brunei Gas is proud to associate with this important conservation work. We are pleased to give back to the community from which we have gained so much. It is hoped that a preliminary report on the work will be presented at COP10, the International Symposium on Biodiversity and Business, to be held in Nagoya, Japan, next year. Question number 9. What is indicated about Dr. Robertson? A. She founded a School of Environment and Ecology. B. She's a prolific and successful writer. C. She's an experienced ornithologist. D. She contributed money for the relief of victims. The answer is B. Dr. Robertson and has many publications on invertebrate ecology to her credit とあり、多作で成功した作家であると分かるので、B. She's a prolific and successful writer が正解。調理の話題も出てくるが、Dr. Robertson, Associate Professor in the School of Environment and Ecology, a highly respected researcher and has many publications on invertebrate ecology to her credit とあり、彼女は環境生態学、特に無脊椎動物の生態学の研究者であることがわかるので、C. She's an experienced ornithologist. 彼女は経験豊富な鳥類学者であるは不適切。Question number 10. What is true about Wildlife Unlimited? A. It is directed by amateur ecologists. B. It makes light of local communities. C. It is not well known internationally. D. It has access to competent leaders. The answer is D. 文中に The internationally respected conservation group Wildlife Unlimited under the direction of Dr. Amelia Robertson アメリア・ロバートソン博士の指導のもとに国際的に評判の高い保護グループ Wildlife Unlimited とあり A. 素人の環境保護論者によって管理されている C. 国際的に知名度が低いは不適切であることがわかる。また Dr. Robertson intends to run a series of seminars and workshops in the area to emphasize the importance of biodiversity to the local inhabitants とあり、彼女は地元住民へ生物多様性の重要性を力説するために一連のセミナーと勉強会を運営するつもりであると分かるので B. It makes light of local communities 地域社会を軽視しているも間違いである。彼らは優秀な研究者であるロバートソン博士の指導のもとにあり連絡を取れる環境にいるのであるから D. It has access to competent leaders が正解。Question number 11. What will the grant be used for? A. To collect specimens of butterflies. B. To develop natural gas. C. To set up an experimental station. D. To hold a seminar on biochemistry. The answer is C. The money will go towards establishing a field station. そのお金は実験場を設立することに使われるとあるので、正解はそれを言い換えた C. To set up an experimental station である。Win for 何々を勝ち取る Conservation 保護 In recognition of 何々を認めて UN International Year 国連国際年 Biodiversity 生物多様性 Make a grant of 何々の助成金を与える under the direction of 何々の指導のもと Associate Professor 准教授 Researcher 研究者 Publication 著作物 Invertebrate 無脊椎動物 To one's credit 何々の名誉となってField Station 実験場 Foothills 丘陵地帯 Rich in 何々が豊富で Species 種 Ecosystem 生態系 Vary with 何々によって異なる Gradation 徐々の変化 Humid Tropics 熱帯湿潤 At the base of 何々のふもとに Cool temperate climate 冷帯気候 Higher altitudes 高地 Endangered 絶滅に瀕した Spectacular 目を見張る Habitat 生息地 Destruction 破壊 Avifauna 鳥類層 Host 何々を宿す Diverse range of さまざまな Rare 希少な Threatened 絶滅の危機に直面している Interaction 相互作用 Insect 昆虫 Local inhabitants 地元住民 Local population 地元の全住民 Be associated with 何々と関連している Preliminary report 釈報告書 International Symposium 国際シンポジウム Found 何々を創設する Prolific 多作の Ornithologist 鳥類学者 Contribute money for 何々にお金を寄付する Relief 救援 Victim 被災者 Amateur 素人 Ecologist 環境保護論者 Make light of 何々を軽視する Well known 知名度が高い Specimen 標本 Experimental Station 実験場 Biochemistry 生化学 Question number 12 What does the reviewer think of the book's style? A. Verbose B. Common sense C. Unproductive D. Impractical Question number 13 According to the reviewer, what cannot be found in the book? A. Ways to produce effective contractual arrangements. B. Techniques for gaining the trust of potential clients. C. Advice for overcoming the objections of dissatisfied customers. D. Illustrations from the successful career of the writer.